Another day, another box. People, they're on the base box there. Again. They're on the base box bill again. You have to done the boss. See there? One ready. One ready. With four. Four machines are going at that. This is the second one. People, please understand, me can't show you a full specification for the box. But in my video, little hints are there where you can pick up on how me do it. Little hint is there, but me can't show you everything because somebody show me the specification and he never tell me if he advertise it. Yeah, so me kind of keep it on a level because me don't know how much exposure him did want it to get. So if you can pick up off on one, fine. And then again too, me don't really want to show everything either because some other sound man did it where a bill and a follow my design them and my settings where me I do. Whole heap of things them a follow what me I do. And at the same time, and me they want to compete against while them I use the information where me I put out. So me don't really want to give them all the information. I want to beat them up first and then we give them it. Yeah, so. And some of them want to come my shop. Some of them I want them to come my shop and ask what they want. But me I go on people. I cut out the speaker hole them. Me I use my rotor. People, you see the workshop dirty? Yeah, the workshop dirty. The board there. What me cut the board there for? Oh, the board that one I face board that. That I face board for this. So me need to cut the board we are going to double. We are going to double the board there. And I need to cut the front board them, but I need to put in the port. So when I put in the port, I'm going to put in 145 up there, so. Then I'm going to put in them two board there, then I'm going to put in two more 45 up there, so. And then I'm going to put on the top. Yeah. So, me I go on. Base box in our car. This need to come out. That's what I did for us. Catch up one way. I cut off them there. Because I don't want them cut me up when I pushing things. But they are going in. Warning. I have the side of it now. The one side already. Showing how you look from around here, so. And then we do it back. Yeah. Looking good. That's how I just want to look. You know, so I jack me have to use my car jack and jack up in people. Never easy to put in, you know? No. Never easy. But it's in. And I dress up here. Yeah, them three board the way in the back I got to take out. But it's in. I go and dress up here. So I need to put on the next side over there, so. And then we put on the back. Alright people. Right now the box built now and the box installed fully. I just dressing up around the box now. Yeah, dressing up around the base box, dressing up around the top box. All those little things leave for do right now. And I still not fully decide exactly how me I go dress up around them yet. It's a work in progress. It's a work in progress. So, cause me I think about them place, yeah. Put on one strip on here, so. Because I want the board to come from here to the edge of here, so. And I don't want to touch this. So, because any ear where I come out of the box, yeah, so not supposed to go around the corner around this, because you saw go block off. So any ear where I come from here should come straight out. So, people me dig out me on you know, man. Why me I tell her? You work hard. Blood, sweat. No tears no unite yet. But a whole heap of blood and sweat unite. I want to tell us I sweat like a river unite. Oh, the roof. Me finish with the roof now. So, me get this something and paint. See how much brace me have on my roof? So, me add one here so. One here so. One in the middle up there. So, the one that did hard for put in because me don't think nothing supposed to go there. So. Up there so look like it look a shorter. Or it look a lower. But up there so give me a warm time. And the roof light I work. But this is not the original roof light for my bus. It's a roof light for your bus, but not mine. The original roof, the roof light I work with the bus them way. Have a switch on the dashboard for turn on and turn off. So that me have to go do. Because right now when I put the bulb in it, I have to take out the bulb in the shade right now. When me put in the bulb, the light come on same time and then I lock off back. So I have to end up take out back the bulb. So if I want light, I screw off this and drop in the bulb and screw on back. But I have to put one switch up there so for the light. Otherwise than that, I go on. So, moving on from the base box now. I still need to cover up my winch. That's not supposed to be hard. That's supposed to be one of the easy job them. But I need to cover up the winch. I need to dress up the side of them part you know. And then painting. Feel like I go paint the box inside of the vehicle. Because I not take out the back. Not taking out back this box. So I go paint it inside. Them screw that were cock out inside on the side there, so I go use it now and cut them off because I want to use inner them side part for something. Either I use it for wire or I use it for something, but I want to use it for something. What I consider in my mind, like how it's so deep, I might use the first part up here so for battery. So if I can put 2 battery in the part here so, and 2 battery over the next side over there so, then I block off the battery them and run out my wire them. And then anything further from the battery go back, I can use to store my wire them when I string up the sound. But only one side I feel like I have access to. Because over the side there kind of narrow. Yeah, and I don't know really. I don't know. I see him space the 2 of them, but let me show you. Let me show you. Alright. The side there. From hiace to hiace wider than over here. Because of this. This come out a little bit tonight. So, I don't know. I might use the 2 side for wire, I'm not sure. It all depends on how the arms rack work out. Yeah. Because I don't know how. I don't fully decide about the arms rack yet. I know some more I put 215 around here. 215, 1, 2 with tweeter. So 15 them I go to his side them. I can put equipment in the middle. And I can put amps in the middle. Also can put amps round this to his side. Round this to his side. It gonna give me a warm time, people, with what me do. Believe me. Believe me, it gonna give me a warm time. But working on it. All our challenges them will come. We are face the challenges them. We now back off. So the box in our bus. Arms rack, I can start doing my arms rack now. Yes. And I need to start go through and run some of my wire them. Hey, the base box exactly buck right as I know. The base box exactly you know. I did have to push it forward if you make them line up with each other. Yo, think it's easy if you do? I know boy do this at work, yeah. No, believe me, it's not easy. And right now, me make it base box deep. And me almost never did for make it so deep. I just that's me don't make it away there already. And me have to make it beside. Yeah. Because me make it deep, it limit the space I have for my arms them. But me I go wire them up a way more on them people. And enough arms are gonna grow on here, so. Enough arms are gonna grow on here. But me I gonna make it work. Go on with it. Oh, me have a rest of Twitter them for put in. People me buy some new Twitter too, you know. I buy some new Twitter, you know, see them there, you know. Them for going. Yeah. It's on, I go on. Yeah. Put in the rest of something in it, it'll go heavier. Why? But it's nice. It's nice. A cordless remote me apart with. It's nice. Pack up time. Today is Sunday. Time for go rest easy. People, if you don't subscribe, are them too EV for going in the back of your bus. Them too EV are going in the back of your bus. With two Twitter each. So them new Twitter there and them new EV are going in the back of your bus. Yeah. Me I go put window box. Me have window box Twitter already. So I'm short a Twitter for me. No short on a Twitter. Me have everything now. So them Twitter that were in a top box. I go in at this. 4 and 3 and 4 and 1. So me only want one more. That. Alright. Me have everything. Me have everything now. The only thing me not have yet are the other base amps. But me have one base amp. Me have one amps where I can go and replace it. Me have one 8000, but a 1 ohms, and it can go and replace it. People, if you don't subscribe yet, do the right thing. Subscribe to the thing. Get with the program. Yeah, I'm out.